Hi guys, welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and always share this video. Alright, today I'll be talking about the second method of solving simultaneous equation, which is the substitution method. In my last video, I discussed extensively on how to solve simultaneous equation using the elimination method. So today I'll be talking about the other method, which is the substitution method. So I will encourage you to watch this video till the end so you can get every steps involved in solving the question. All right, so we have two questions here today that I want to look into. We have two questions here, and the first one is x plus 2y equals to 7, which was the same example I solved in my last video using the elimination method. So either you use the elimination method or the substitution method, you should have the same answer. All right, and the second one here today is x plus y equals to 2 and 3x minus 2y equals to 1. So you follow me as I do this. All right, so to the first one, we have x plus 2y equals to 7, and then we have x minus y equals to 4. So using the substitution method. Now using the substitution method is quite simple, because one of the things you want to do is to make a particular variable the subject of formula and inserting it back into another equation. That is why we call it the substitution. You are substituting a variable for another variable. All right, so let's see from this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. So let's say from equation 1, if you are to make x subject of formula in equation 1, we have x plus 2y equals to 7, right? That means we are going to have what? X equals to 7 minus 2y, equation 3. From here now, I've been able to make my x what? The subject of formula, because you transfer this to this side, plus we cross and turn to what? Minus. So this is our equation 3. So what you now do is you now say substitute equation 3 into equation 2. You used equation 1 before, so you can't substitute back into equation 1. You have to substitute it into another equation. So what's the next thing? Equation 2 is what? X minus y equals what? 4. So anywhere you see x, you now put 7 minus what? 2y.
Yes.
So let's put 7 minus 2y into this now. This is my x, so I'll now say 7 minus 2y minus y equals to 4. You can see that I've replaced my x with this. So that will be 7 minus 2y minus y equals what? 4. Then 7 minus 2y minus y will give me minus 3y, because you are only 2y and you have only another person 1y. That will be a total of what? Minus 3y equals what? 4. So let's take this minus 3 to this side and bring this to this side. So if minus 3 cross to the other side, we will have 7 here. If plus 4 cross, it will become minus 4. If minus 3 cross, it will become what? 3y. So 7 minus 4 will give me what? 3 equals what? 3y. So the next thing to do is to divide both sides by what? 3, and your y is equals to what? 1. Do you get that now? Because 3 will cancel 3 and your y is equals to 1. So after getting y to be 1, the next thing to do is what? Substitute. For you to get your x, so you say substitute y equals 1 into equation. You can use any equation, but it's preferable you use equation 3 because x is already standing alone. So substitute into equation 3. Now what's your equation 3? Your equation 3. So what's your equation 3? Your equation 3 is what? Let me do that here. So your equation 3 is x equals to 7 minus 2y. And that was x equals to 7 minus 2. What's your y? 1. So that was x equals what? 7 minus 2 times 1, 2. Then x is equals what? 5. So therefore, x is equals to what? 5 and y is equals to 2. So I'm sure you know how to check the question. I'm sorry, y is 1. So I'm sure you know how to check for your answer. So do that. Check. The first person to comment whether it's correct will be receiving a gift from me. All right, so let's move to the second example. So to the second example, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. The second example here, we have x plus y equals to 2, and we have 3x minus 2y equals to 1. So let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So the first one we use equation 1. So let's use equation 1 again. But now let us make y separate of formula. So you see, from equation 1, x plus y equals to 2. Then if you make y separate of formula, your x will cross here, and that what? Y equals what? 2 minus x. So now this is your what? Equation 3. So you say substitute y equals to, and I said just say equation 3. Substitute equation 3 into equation, which equation do you use before? 1. So you can't use 1 again. You have to substitute it into equation what? 2. Now what's your equation 2? 3x minus 2y equals what? 1. Now anywhere you see y, you now put what? 2x minus what? X. So that will now be what? 3x minus what? 2 open bracket 2 minus x equals 1. Alright. So that will now be what? 3x minus 2 times 2, 4. Minus times minus plus 2 times x, 2x equals what? 1. Alright. So take this 4 to this side. That will now be what? 3x plus what? 3x plus 2x equals 1. If minus 4 cross, it will become what? Plus 4. Alright. So this plus this will give me what? 5x equals what? 5. Alright. Divide by side by what? 5. Divide by by 5. Therefore, x is equals to what? 1. You get that now? So now your x is what? 1. So you now say put x equals 1 into what equation did I say you use? Equation 3, because equation 3, y is already standing alone. So you have y equals what? 2 minus what? X. Then that number was y equals what? 2 minus 1. And y is equals what? 1. So therefore, x is equals 1 and y is equals to what? 1. And you can also say x is equals to y is equals to 1. That is, both of them are equals to 1. So also check for this to know whether it's correct. Alright, so let me give you an assignment to do. I'll be waiting for the comment of the first person to win my gift for the week. Alright, so let's say I have a question here. Let's say I have a question. Let me form that. Let's say x plus 2y equals to 7, and 2x plus y equals to 2. So solve this as an assignment and send it as comment. The answer, send the answer as comment on the group. I'll be waiting for a comment, and there's a gift for the person to get that. So thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you very much, and God bless you.